Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home by Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we just closed on today. We're in Orleans Parish in New Orleans East, really in the Michoud area. This is a house we purchased from the owner. They were living here, but they were ready to move on, and they just didn't want to fix it up. I'll show you around. It's not in terrible condition, but it definitely needs to be updated. You know, the seller didn't want to have to get the house fully clean. It's obviously a hassle to get the house fully empty and cleaned out. You know, so we've closed. We've taken possession of the property now. So you know, all this stuff is staying. You know, didn't want to take the bed, didn't want to clean out all this stuff. So obviously they took whatever they wanted. But the benefit of selling in as is condition to people like us is that you don't need to make it all beautiful and clean, because we're going to do a renovation anyway, so we'll end up cleaning the house out. You know, and just some of the properties a bit dated. There's a bit of a foundation issue outside, which is obviously an issue if you're going to sell it to a home buyer. You know, just a dated bathroom. You can see we're missing the tap. So yeah, they just didn't want to have to fix it up to make it presentable for a seller. So they sold it to us in as is condition, and we like to buy houses like this because we're investors, right? We're not buying a house to live in it. You know, we're buying a house as an investment so we can make money. You know, so we are going to put money into the property. So if the house is beautiful and ready for a homeowner, we're not the right person to sell to because we can't add value. You know, so you're best to sell it, list for a realtor and sell to a homeowner. But if you have a house that you don't want to fix up, you don't want to, put the value in yourself, you don't want to clean out, you don't want to fix the foundation, you don't want to fix the bathroom, you know what I mean, then we'll do that. So we'll pay you a fair cash offer. We'll pay you a good price for your property, but it's going to be based on the work that's needed. And for us, it's probably going to cost us a lot less to do the work than it's going to cost you, because we do this every day and we have, repeat contractors, and there are always issues. Even we still get issues, with renovations. It's hard renovating a house. There's always surprises or issues with contractors. So we get the issues too, but we're used to them and we've dealt with a lot of the issues. So it doesn't really scare us and we're used to it. If you don't do renovations very often, it can become a money pit and it can be stressful. So, like these people, they just didn't want that stress. They just prefer to sell as is to a cash buyer. We're able to close fast and get it done for them. So if you're looking to sell your property in Louisiana, we're really active right now in the greater New Orleans area, in Baton Rouge, and also the North Shore. So we're really active there now. So if you're looking to sell a property, could be a house like this that needs work. We buy a lot of houses with tenants. We'll flip properties, but we also keep a lot of rentals. So, sometimes you have a tenant you don't want to get rid of and you want to sell it with the tenant without updating it. We'll buy it and take over that tenant, and that's a good property for us to buy as well. So reach out to us, Home by Louisiana. You can check out our website, homebylouisiana.com. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one.